중요한 손님이라도 맞이하는 듯 집안 정리에 여념이 없는 주인공 짐. 다름 아닌 오늘은 사랑스런 딸 제니가 집으로 돌아오는 날이었고,
Welcome home, Cuddlebug.
그런데 어찌된 영문인지 남친 올리버와 함께였는데요.
We're getting married.
딸아이가 결혼을 하겠다는 청천벽력 같은 소식이었죠.
So, are you guys sure about this?
Yeah, but you and mom got married right after college.
그렇다고 하기엔 강산이 2번이나 바뀌었고 무엇보다 그동안 이런 방구조차 없었다는 사실, 섭섭함이 앞선 나머지 서로가 언성을 높여버렸고,
Oh, we're gonna live here in Atlanta.
아빠 곁에서 지낼 거라는 이야기에 눈 녹듯 섭섭함이 사그라들기 시작하죠.
Any thoughts of where you might want to get married?
Where you and mom got married.
Scarlett speaking.
My name is Jim Caldwell.
Jim, I remember your wedding.
Oh, great.
May is fully booked.
Okay, how about June 1st?
워낙 작은 섬에 위치해 일주일에 한 팀만 수용할 수 있는, 그럼에도 성공적으로 예약을 마칠 수 있었고,
This is Masquerade!
제법 굵직굵직한 리얼리티 프로그램을 연출하고 있는 또 다른 주인공 마고, 전혀 예상치 못한 손님이 기다리고 있었는데요.
Now I'm Dixon. Excited to see you. Welcome to LA.
그런데
Are you engaged? You're gonna be my brother-in-law. Oh my god.
세상 무엇과도 바꿀 수 없는 동생 내부의 깜짝 결혼 소식이었죠.
Why are all these photos just you and Nev?
Oh yeah, I don't like them and they don't like me.
If I may, where's the commode?
Babe, what's wrong? Mom doesn't approve. I cannot believe that. His occupation. Dancing is a very solid job.
문제는 나머지 형제들 모두 번듯하게 자리를 잡아버려 비교의 대상이 될 수밖에 없었다는 사실.
I'm gonna plan your wedding. Do you even know how to plan a wedding? First things first, we need a venue. You know where I want to have it.
Palmetto House, Leslie speaking. As you know, given the size of the island, we can only host one wedding per weekend. Is available. Excellent. Let me get your credit card information.
도대체 어디서부터 꼬여버린 걸까? 분명 짐이 예약한 날짜에 내부의 결혼식이 예약되어 버리는 더블 부킹.
Honey, do we know her?
Probably one of his cousins.
말 그대로 난장판이 될 거라는 걸 전혀 예상하지 못한 채 가족과 하객들 모두 흥분을 주체할 수 없었고,
Congratulations! Cannot be having a premarital baby.
Tell them, I think they'd be happy.
No.
속도 위반으로 결혼을 서둘러야 했다는 사실에 기뻐하는 것도 잠시, 당장이라도 잡아먹을 듯한 시선으로 인사를 대신하는 부모님과 마주할 수 있었고,
Wait, is that your kid in the tree? Hi, Aunt Margot.
이제서야 우리 집안의 유전자와는 너무나 다른 성향의 게스트들이 시야에 들어오기 시작, 불안함이 엄습하기 시작하는데요.
Oh, I'm checking into the bridal
Hold
suite.
on, I think there might be a little mistake. It's booked. We booked the week. I spoke to your mother, Scarlett. She booked it.
Mercy.
짐의 예약을 접수하는 순간 유명을 달리하게 된 서프라이즈 돋는 사연. 아니나 다를까 희미하게나마 기록이 남겨져 있었고,
What is this David Copperfield?
Oh no. I'm sure we can figure this out.
이러한 호언장담이 무색하게 전혀 해결의 실마리는 보이지 않았는데요.
Well, I've got the situation under control.
Doesn't seem like
Stuff, so I'm sure she'll have it all fixed up, right?
그런데
Wait a second. Whose credit card's on file?
Yours.
So the place is legally...
Yours.
Care that later, Jim. You're a friend of the family.
스칼릿의 과도한 친절, 결국 짐의 발목을 잡아버린 꼴이 되어버렸고,
Now, Kimi.
Welcome to the Palmetto House.
reserved. I didn't know I had to double check.
평생에 있어 단 한 번만 주어지는 로맨틱한 순간을 망쳐버린 존재, 모든 원망의 화살은 짐을 향하기 시작하죠.
I feel terrible. We are not kicking them out. Well, we kind of are.
남들 걱정이 아닌 내 결혼식에만 집중하라며 다독여보았지만 그럼에도 불편한 마음을 숨길 수 없었고,
Where are you guys gonna go?
There's a Wet n Wild water park, a Super 8 nearby, about 200 miles from here. I also baked my daughter's wedding cake.
How about you?
My wife and I got married here.
Oh, where is she?
She's dead.
He married his dead wife. I think we're gonna have to let them stay. Okay.
세상 불편한 마음을 안고 결혼식을 올리느니 다소 혼잡스럽더라도 시간대를 나눠 결혼식장을 쇠어하는 기가 막힌 묘수.
Great.
Great.
극적으로 타협의 마침표를 찍을 수 있었는데요.
Good night, Grandma. Good night, Aunt Margot.
Good night, Betty.
You don't know his name.
Theodore.
It's Tucker. They're family, Margot.
Let's not do this right now. Okay?
You joining us?
I try to be calm.
I think I'm fine.
So our daughter's getting married this weekend. I hope you'd be proud.
밤새 웃고 떠들어도 모자랄 시간, 두 사람은 왠지 모를 헛헛함을 끌어안은 채 하루를 마무리하게 되고,
Hey! I'm just finishing up her hair. Happy to work on yours if you'd like. Change your mind, we accept walk-ins, but we're filling up fast.
보통은 아니라고 생각했었지만 그 예상을 훨씬 뛰어넘는 부녀 사이. 두 가족의 리허설 만찬부터 극명하게 차이를 드러내기 시작. 올리버의 재능을 살려 어느새 디제잉 파티까지 벌어지고 있었고
Have you been affected by the fire?
마치 불금의 술집이 된 것 마냥 옆 사람과의 대화마저 힘겨운 수준이 되어버렸는데요. 그런데
His business is exploding. Winnie's house is being featured in Garden and Gun.
그럼에도 마치 이때를 기다렸다는 듯 끊이지 않는 비교질. 마고의 인내심은 한계를 드러내게 되고
What? No. Just give it to me. Give it to me.
다른 한편에서는 제 버릇게 못 준다고 시도 때도 없이 골반을 흔들어 제끼는 모습에 동생을 대신해 연거푸 술잔을 들이킬 수밖에 없던 그때
You do not get to bring all of your lawn games.
But if I wasn't married, I'd climb him like a redwood.
어느새 리허설 만찬은 짐 가족 특유의 흥 넘치는 유전자에 잠식되어 버렸고
Hey, I'm gonna grind on you.
Thank you.
이내 곧 굴러들어온 돌이 박힌 돌을 빼내기 시작하죠.
Father of one of the brides here, Jenny back there, that's my daughter. This is obviously not what any of us signed up for this weekend. So why can't we just celebrate together? Right? I know Bailey and Knox know what I'm talking about.
How the fuck does he know all their names?
How do you not?
I actually just wanted to, my darling daughter. I set out to get you with a fine, soft inside. You do something to me that
이 아침마당 돋는 부녀 간의 합동 무대에 당황하는 것도 잠시
making love.
Daughter, right?
Yes, it is.
열정적인 무대에 모두가 빠져들 수밖에 없었고
Thank you.
The other weddings already having toes.
그러는 너는 무엇하고 있냐며 또다시 비교질을 시작. 결국 마이크를 잡을 수밖에 없었는데요.
Can I go whoop whoop? Now, you are literally the best person at a Starbucks, and she wasn't that great.
문제는 동생을 위한 날이라는 걸 어느새 망각 제대로 삼천포로 빠져버렸고
Okay.
Oh, maybe you've had too much to drink.
No. I'm still talking.
You have a strong grip.
Stop it. Stop it!
Let's get some ice on it. It's available. Create a compress.
Drunk because I drank your drinks because you're, you know. I think that you should go to bed. I really don't want you to be shit-faced.
아직 해가 중천에 떠 있었음에도 강제 취침 모드에 처해지는 처분을 피할 수 없었던 그날 새벽.
You want to talk about it?
I'm so nervous about tomorrow. Everyone just tells us that we're too young and we should wait. But
비록 제니가 처한 상황을 정확히 알 수 없었지만 지금 그녀에게 필요한 건 공감과 경청.
I would think that maybe you're having wedding night jitters.
조금이나마 제니의 근심을 덜어줄 수 있었는데요. 그런데
what?
I'll go lightly.
도대체 이 남자의 정체는 무엇? 신부화장도 거뜬하게 해내고 있었고
Here's my look.
It looks a little poofy.
You're showing.
What? Try and suck it in. Here she is.
Oh, it still looks a little poofy.
Did y'all talk to the other bride's father?
Did y'all see that duet he did? So cute.
Sweet. Did you think that was cute? I thought it was incestuous. I was in the stream. That is a sexual song.
Daughter so much, and I think that it is very, very sweet. He even does her hair.
But does he do it well?
No, she looks like a road.
요 며칠 대놓고 비교질을 당한 억하심정이었을까 아니면 짐을 향한 본심이었을까 수위 높은 뒷담화를 쏟아내기 시작하는데요. 그런데 문제는 제니와 올리버의 예식이 먼저 진행된다는 사실.
Sorry. To get us started, maid of honor, Heather Diaz.
Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. We'll decide where to go. I love you. Oh, that's all I was gonna read. Okay. Oh.
마고의 속이 타들어가고 있다는 걸 아는지 모르는지 함흥차사를 시전.
He's intentionally running out the sunset clock.
결국 시 한 편을 모두 낭독해 버리게 되고.
Thank you, Heather.
He is using up all of our sunset. It's half sunset. Half of the sunset is gone.
식장 측마저 나몰라라를 시전. 어느덧 선착장에는 제법 어두움이 들이오기 시작하는데요.
Okay, so I guess we should probably just do our ceremony somewhere else.
어르신들이 많아 위험할 수 있다는 제부의 조언을 무시해버린 채 선착장 예식을 강행.
Everybody, march!
Second wedding. Go, hurry.
결국 나의 판단이 옳았다며 안도의 한숨을 내쉴 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
You don't have to do it again. Come on, let's go.
father of the bride is behind all of this. And it was not his fault. It's yours. Dixon said it wasn't safe to get married on the dock.
동생에게 최고의 결혼식을 선물해주고 싶었을 뿐인데 어느덧 최악의 결혼을 만들어버린 장본인, 하나뿐인 동생마저 등을 돌려버린 마고는 진짜로 의지할 곳 하나 없는 외톨이가 되어버렸고
God, I love this place.
I do too.
그건 짐도 별반 다르지 않았는데요.
This is so stupid that you would intentionally sabotage my sister's wedding.
Well, can I be honest? I did overhear you say some negative things about me and my daughter.
Oh.
You would run out of Sunset. And being kind is very central to who I am as a person. Don't know how much of a relief that was to get that off my shoulders.
Straight to my face. No, he did not.
Who y'all going chaos monkey on?
That weird father. Yeah, he's behind this whole dock incident. Yes!
Chaos!
Monkey!
Chaos! Let's go!
Are you like a professional DJ?
동생이 올리버를 맞고 큰언니가 짐을 밀착 마크하는 숨막히는 전술.
Zebra from Masquerade!
Oh my god, Zebra from Masquerade! What's Zebra and what's Masquerade? It's a dance reality show. Oh yeah, I got it. Not as good in real life as he is on the show.
그런데 어딘지 모르게 어색한 춤사위, 가장무도회라는 프로그램을 연출한 장본인이 다름 아닌 마고였고
Alright.
불안함이 엄습하기 시작하는데요.
No, not the cake! We knocked over the cake!
What are you talking about? Why are you so obsessed with her? Please just pull your shit together, Dad, please.
모든 과오는 아빠의 탓이 되어 있었죠.
It's been surprisingly fun.
Hey, Margo, how come we don't see you more?
Sometimes I just kind of feel out of step with you all. My life just isn't like that.
We all feel like outsiders.
I'm in major financial trouble.
What?
엄마가 입이 마르도록 자랑하던 오빠가 사실은 재정난에 허덕이고 있고 언니의 삶도 별반 다르지 않은 그간 속속들이 알 수 없던 것들을 털어놓는 것도 잠시
Hold on. Oh my god.
의심의 여지가 없는 올리버와 신부 측 들러리 사이의 부적절한 애정행각이었고
That poor kid. Someone's gonna have to tell her.
What do you want?
I have to tell Jenny something.
Just trying to sabotage the wedding.
Fine, I will tell you. Saw her fiance making out with one of her bridesmaids.
It's a lie. You're just trying to destroy her wedding through subterfuge.
언급할 가치도 없다며 무시하기로 하는데요. 문제는 이미 의심의 싹이 돋아나버렸다는 거죠.
You saw Oliver making out with a bridesmaid?
Yes, 100%.
What an asshole.
He's totally been gaslighting you this entire time. Do you really think you saw this, Dad?
It's what was seen.
그리고 잠시 후
Is dedicated to my lady.
모두의 앞에서는 날 사랑한다 말하지만 뒤에서는 호박씨를 까는 제니의 인내심은 한계에 다다르게 되고
I would never do that. I would never do that. But I did, Jim. I didn't do that. I didn't
Turn the music on?
What are you doing?
보란듯 서로가 키스 배틀을 벌이던 그때
My dad saw Oliver making out with a bridesmaid.
Where? In front of the hotel.
That was me and Addie.
Everything is f***ed now.
마고의 말만 믿고 제대로 진상을 파악하지 않은 또다시 결혼식을 망친 장본인이 되어버렸고
I don't want to see you again.
Jenny, please, can we just talk?
What is this? 그
사이 임신 소식을 밝혀야 한다. 아니다 숨겨야 한다. 감론을 박이 한창이었는데요.
Okay, that's what you want to do, baby. Mom flips out. I got my guy by my side. I got my big sister by my side.
그리고 잠시 후
Hey, y'all. I'm pregnant. Oh my god.
We're gonna have a new baby in the family.
등짝 스매시가 날아올 거라는 예상과는 달리 세상 따뜻한 환대 그간 내가 가족에 대해 단단히 오해하고 있었다는 걸 깨닫게 되고
Bless the Broken Road by Rascal Flatts.
Did you do this?
엉망이 되어버린 선착장 결혼을 보란듯이 만회할 수 있었는데요. 그런데
Beat it, Dawson Scott.
Hey!
You lied about my daughter's husband.
I did not lie.
The point is, after this weekend, you're gonna be just like me, all alone.
No, I'm not. Take it back. Get out of here! Get out of here, weirdo!
With this, I imagine we won't be seeing you for a little while.
Well, Nevi's gonna have the baby. I'll come out.
Surprise?
Why would that be a surprise?
Oh, I can't remember the last time you visited.
Well, that's because you never invite me.
Well, you've never invited me.
그동안 가슴속으로만 삭혀왔던 억울한 속내가 터져나오기 시작. 제부가 스트릿 댄서라는 이유로 반대를 해왔고 오빠는 재정적으로 힘든 시간을 보내고 있다는 마고는 형제들을 대신해 총대를 매게 되고
Margot, what the hell?
What?
We told you all that stuff in confidence.
Thinks Dixon is trash, huh? Why would you do that?
또다시 비난의 화살이 마고를 향하기 시작.
Honestly, I never feel lonelier than when I'm around all of you.
결국 나홀로 숙소로 돌아올 수밖에 없었는데요. 그런데
So I caught this guy and I was gonna unleash him and have him.
제니가 떠난 게 마고 때문이라며 악어를 잡아다가 복수하려는 마음이었지만 이내 곧 후회가 몰려왔고
So much torque!
겨우 최악의 사태까지는 피할 수 있었는데요. 문제는 악어를 내쫓는 과정에서 그녀가 물려버렸다는 사실.
Go get help. Stop the show! Please! Stop!
Whoa. I'm a trained medic. I'll take a look.
하찮은 직업이라 반대했던 게 사실은 나의 선입견도 포함되어 있던 건 아니었을까. 제법 많은 것들을 되돌아보는 시간을 가질 수 있었고
I'm sorry about all that stuff I said.
엄마에게 먼저 화해의 손을 내미는 선택. 다사다난했던 내부의 결혼을 통해 진짜 가족으로 거듭날 수 있었죠.
Have you heard from your daughter?
No.
No?
But according to TikTok, she and Oliver annulled their marriage.
Do you ever wonder what your wife would think of the woman she's become? Do you think she would want her to marry Oliver?
Kid loves her.
Well, then you should just try and... We can drive you. We have a lot of cars. Yeah.
마고의 온 가족이 총 출동. 마침내 딸아이가 있는 곳에 닿을 수 있었는데요. 그런데
This doesn't concern you.
She's my best friend.
You guys have jobs?
No, the economy's terrible.
I watched your heart break apart.
비록 결혼이 엉망이 되었다 한들 변하지 않는 건 서로가 너무나도 사랑했기 때문에 이 사단이 났다는 사실. 이내 곧 서로를 향한 원망의 마음은 눈 녹듯 사라져버렸고
You know I have to move, right?
But just know I'll always be in your corner.
I'll always be in your corner forever too, Dad.
아내의 빈자리를 딸 제니로 채우려 했던 욕심으로부터 마침내 자유로워질 수 있었는데요.
It was so nice meeting y'all.
You too.
Yeah, what?
My dad likes you.
Oh.
Plus, he's been smiling at you in a way that makes me feel.
Okay. Time to head home.
How are y'all getting back into the city?
My nieces and nephews.
Oh, it's called a memory palace. And then you think of a shocking image that's to that person.
생긴 것과는 다르게 제법 스마트한 모습. 짐이 알려준 그대로 조카들 이름 하나하나를 되뇌어보는 것도 잠시.
I feel like No, I can't. I think I'm having allergies. That's probably it.
Younger sister's married and she's having a baby. And this is just how you're processing it. Maybe it's because it was good to see your brother and their kids. You say you don't miss seeing them, but maybe you do miss seeing them. Or maybe it's because their kids are growing up so quickly. Your parents suddenly look old. Maybe.
I think I'm gonna miss you.
이내 곧 서로를 향한 마음을 확인할 수 있었는데요. 그런데
Wait, do you have a job?
I'm the CEO of Delta Airlines. You didn't think I had a job?
I thought maybe you were a hairdresser.
사랑은 더더욱 샘솟기 시작하죠.
How's LA treating you so far?
Well, the air is so dry. Looking forward to touring your workplace.
개인적으로 가장 애정하는 헐리우드 제작사 헬로우 선샤인의 2025년 신작 깐죽대는 리즈 위더스푼의 연기는 여전히 그대로였고 가족의 회복이라는 헬로 선샤인만의 색채가 제대로 묻어나는 작품이었는데요. 다만 소소한 웃음에 집착한 나머지 가족이가 회복하는 과정과 마지막 로맨스 모먼트에도 그다지 공감하기 어려웠던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?